All right.
Hi, Scott.
Hey, how are you?
What you doing, Scott?
Today we have customer with a 2023 last of the Chargers, the Challenger, and he wants to keep it, like most people that have these cars. So we're installing Compustar CM900 with the nice two-way T12 remote. Also, we're doing a double starter kill. This will be wired in on the passenger side on these. This way, when they're connected to the drone mobile, which we're also installing a drone, they can open an app and select auxiliary 1, which will actually kill the starter 100%. Doesn't rely on the alarm, all alone, all by itself, as well as a piggyback starter kill output off of the alarm. So this car won't go anywhere unless it goes on a rollback. We've been doing a lot of these to keep these cars safe because it seems like everybody wants them or steals them. We've been doing a lot of the shift locks as well. That way you can't get to the neutral safety switch. There's several different ways we can do security on these to keep them from going anywhere. We also have been doing different types of starter kill style relay setup on the stop start button, so it won't engage either. So if they code a key or anything like that, it's not going to go anywhere. So hopefully this customer will keep this car for a long time. So I'm just now getting half of it wrapped up. I still got the siren stop start wires I got to connect, and then all the wires that run to the passenger kick panel. But we try to keep these as incognito as possible. Everything is taped up, quiet. Once it's done, you won't see this. It gets buried way up underneath the dash, so nobody can get to it. The main goal is to make it hard to get to. You don't want to be able to just reach up and pull it down, and that it's not security, that's an alarm. It's just something that makes noise. So I pride myself in making sure these are hard to get. And so that's about it. And I got to do the programming because these also, with the computer system, they use the Blade AL, which clones the key, so it does the remote start as well. It's a great product because it handles every vehicle out there with these very difficult stop-start situations with push button. So that's about all I'm up to. I've got about an hour or so left on it and activate it. So if you guys are interested in keeping your Challengers or Chargers or any vehicle for that matter, give us a call down here at Traffic Jams in Beaufort, Georgia, and we'll be happy to take care of you, put you on the schedule and get your truck in here or car in here and get it taken care of.